Hello! Come to today's video, you will not believe your eyes that there are machines out there that make us admire and surprise because of the way they work. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you find these machines awesome. Have you ever seen this type of machine? It is a block cutting machine, designed with a super durable alloy blade and a powerful hydraulic system. The machine can cut through large blocks of stone several meters thick in a short time, thanks to stable pressure and high rotation speed. The entire body of the machine is firmly fixed to limit vibration, ensuring accurate cutting. This type of machine is widely used in granite, marble, or construction stone mines in many countries, especially in places with strong construction and stone export industries. It not only helps save labor, but also brings high-quality stone blocks, directly serving large and small projects. This is the Rockwheel rock cutter head using a powerful hydraulic motor mounted on a double shaft with dozens of super hard alloy cutting bits, allowing crushing of rocks, concrete, and hard soil with high precision and outstanding performance. This is the XE7000 and XE4000E super large hydraulic excavators, with buckets with a capacity of tens of cubic meters and a weight of hundreds of tons, specialized in open-pit mining, capable of excavating and unloading thousands of tons of soil and rock per hour. Nowadays, construction sites are also modernized with modern machinery to speed up progress and increase work productivity. This is a specialized machine for constructing concrete median strips and curbs. The machine is equipped with a molding system, a high-capacity hydraulic pump, and an automatic guidance sensor, helping the concrete to be pressed out evenly, firmly, and precisely along each curve. With a fast construction speed, the machine can complete dozens of meters of median strips per hour, saving labor and ensuring high durability, widely used in modern traffic works. In the open-pit mining industry, these giant machines are a testament to the superior power of modern technology. Before us is the Bell AZ Super Heavy truck with a payload of up to 400 tons, as tall as a multi-story building, specially designed to transport soil, rock, and ore from mines. Accompanying it are giant Liebherr and Hitachi hydraulic excavators with buckets with a capacity of 30 to 40 cubic meters, which can be filled with dozens of tons of soil and rock in just one scoop. Their operation is smooth. The excavator continuously scoops soil and rock from the mine surface, then dumps them directly into the super long truck. Then the Bell AZ truck will move to the staging area or crushing and screening station for further processing. Everything happens continuously, accurately, and safely, helping to exploit a huge amount of resources every day. These machines are widely used in coal mines, iron ore mines, copper and gold mines in Russia, China, Australia, and South America. They not only shorten mining time, but also increase productivity dozens of times compared to traditional methods, making an important contribution to the development of heavy industry worldwide. Before us are the giant bulldozers of the Caterpillar D10T and Komatsu D375A series. The giants, specializing in the mining and heavy infrastructure construction industries. The Caterpillar D10T has an operating weight of more than 70 tons, equipped with a C27 A-Cert V12 engine, with a maximum capacity of about 580 to 700 horsepower. Meanwhile, the Komatsu D375A is not far behind, with a weight of about 72 tons, a powerful SA6D170E5 engine with a capacity of approximately 610 horsepower. Both machines use advanced hydraulic transmission systems combined with extremely sturdy tracks, helping them move stably on all terrains, from soft ground, mud, to hard rock. The front is a super-large bulldozer blade that can push dozens of cubic meters of earth and rock in just one sweep, while the rear is often equipped with a ripper, a rock and soil tearing device, used to break up hard geological layers. Thanks to their tremendous power and durability, Caterpillar D10T and Komatsu D375A are often widely used in coal mines, stone quarries, as well as large-scale dike, dam, or road construction projects. These are truly steel warriors, turning giant blocks of earth and rock into the foundation for great works. Have you ever wondered how brick-paved roads or straight, neat sidewalks are completed so quickly? The secret lies in these smart brick and concrete paving machines. They are equipped with a vacuum system and hydraulic clamps, which can lift entire bricks or concrete slabs weighing hundreds of kilograms and place them precisely in each position. Thanks to the guidance sensor and automatic adjustment, each row of bricks is arranged neatly and evenly, almost without the need for heavy human labor. The machine's working efficiency is amazing. In just 1 hour, it can complete a paving area many times larger than that done manually. Therefore, in many European and American countries, these machines are widely used in the construction of sidewalks, parking lots, and even urban landscape projects, contributing to making the city more beautiful and modern. Have you ever wondered where large construction projects start? It is from these giant pile drilling machines. With extremely powerful hydraulic drills, they can drill tens of meters deep into the ground, creating solid foundations. Then the steel frames are lowered and poured with concrete, forming a solid foundation for bridges, dams, or skyscrapers. This is the silent but extremely important starting step of every project. In the world of industrial machinery, each machine has a special task, like the JCB forklift with modern hydraulic clamps, which can pick up and move heavy blocks of material flexibly and precisely, or the super heavy-duty loading machines used in mines, with enormous power to unload hundreds of tons of raw materials in a shift. And finally, the metal crushing system, where steel plates, iron frames, or old equipment are shredded and recycled into new raw materials, all combined, creating a smooth operating chain, bringing modern industry further, stronger every day.